Dear students, in the last part we have discussed some important terms related to elasticity, and we have defined stress, and now we are going to teach types of stress, and we have to define another important term known as strain. So let's see what are the types of stress. Stress that is, stress may be divided into two types. The first one is Norman stress, and second one is tangential stress. And Norman stress hargadi, when the deforming force changes the size of the body, not the shape of the body. Especially deforming force to na body dugi shape, not the size or the change lapa. It may be in length or it may be similarly na leg the lapa change ko. I do say body dugi magi size or the change lapa. Aduga applied force to should be perpendicular to the area of cross section of the body or the surface of the body. And the body dugi magi area of cross section wagera natakana force na act of the surface to the perpendicular wagera. And the Norman stress is defined when the applied deforming force is perpendicular to the area of cross section of the body, then stress so set off in the body is called Norman stress. And the figures there, example the let us consider a wire whose one end is fixed. Wiring machine fixed rigid support deforming force wire free end apply to perpendicular to the area of cross section. Wire free machine to the force perpendicular to the area of cross section of the wires. F vector represents a deforming force which is perpendicular to the area of cross section of the wire. Is na wire to give bagi circular area of cross section is the com. The wire gets elongated. Wire is a sanctuary. Obviously, wire is the lady by stress. Stress is the force divided by area. The Norman stress when the Norman stress when the specific force to body to give mamai at the area of cross section the perpendicular. The example is maybe when a Norman deforming force, Norman is perpendicular heavily. Norman deforming force is applied to the free end of a wire whose other end is fixed, then stress set off in the wire is said to be Norman stress. When it's defined the way I call. Norman stress ki formula di force Norman deforming force divided by area is the PBI. So mathematically, Norman stress may be expressed like this: Norman deforming force divided by area equal to F divided by E. See figures there. This will be wire. And the Norman stress height are the Norman deforming force. That is deforming force which is perpendicular to area of cross section of the body. Formula F divided by E is my name called Norman deforming force divided by area of cross section of the body. So wire E is the area of circular area of cross section of the wire. F is applied deforming force. And the second is tangential stress. Tangential stress is deforming force should be parallel to the surface of the body so that it changes the shape of the body, not the size. Size not the shape to the sense deforming force to know. Stress set up in the body do tangential stress name call. The figure must minus Roman number 2 the Roman number 2 the tangential stress haibne ko tangential stress और मागी definition से पीटर आइदा कोई ना figure अमा स्माइना ये कोई आए से कोई ना box cubical box आइदा स्माइना और rectangular box स्माइन box अमले रहा माई surface से स्माइन ले को ले स्माइन ले को अतो मागी सिगी bottom surface है सिगी मखा जे fix तमो सिगी ममाई जे कोई ना fix तमो लेगन ड्रब अदुगा सिगी upper surface दा कोई ना upper surface का parallel कोई ना deforming force अमा apply तोरबा and that is called tangential deforming force को दोनी minus force ना पिछला लो parallel to the upper surface let it divided by a vector such that the upper surface of this cubical body may be changed like this. See the level figure is minus CS la pa yai ba. Mai phai do ki bai ta re ko. Koi ye pa matam da smile ye pa yai. Minus. See the upper surface is displaced or displaced octari magi body je as a cubical body layer bodo sagi parallel pipe ko parallelogram mo ma change to ne ba haidi smaina hana layer ba box se smaina han layer ba box se smaina change la tu ne ba sigi shape smaina change la ne ba khina tangential force ma per kanda and such type of stress set up in the body is called tangential stress. And the tangential stress tadi body dugi magi size to size ti samana ne ba ko haidi volume constant oi ne ba aduga magi shape to in the sense lak ba shape to body dugi shape mo to in the sense lak na ba adu da lai ba stress to ne koina tangential stress hairi se ko aduna tangential stress se koina smaina define to ba yare adu di tangential stress may be defined like this: when the deforming force is applied parallel to the surface of the body so that it changes the shape of the body, then stress set up in the body is called tangential stress. And upon high scale of upon the pistol deforming force body dugi magi surface to ga parallel with the pistol level aduga body dugi magi shape to in the sense lag size na ta shape to in the sense lag tardi body do the lady ba stress to koina tangential stress ko bole ko ala tangential stress koina from law in the pgf hai da di koina normal deforming force divided by area na haira roi tangential deforming force na smaina haira le ko sai that is tangential stress equal to tangential deforming force divided by area aduna F by A from lai mo ni samanai adu sine lai F sina tangential deforming force oiba adu normal stress na sine lai F sina normal deforming force oiba ko adu katani. And next we have to define another important term known as strain, S-T-R-A-I-N. Strain is kari no yeng se ko. Na khoi na body amada deforming force apply to tardi body dugi shape or size sense lakani haibne ko. Ado sai gi strain har ga di akhoi na to je we have to compare the original dimension of the body and the change in dimension of the body. Han le body dugi magi mo matau duga change lai ba magi mo matau duga compare to bone ba say for example when a deforming force is applied of the body such that its length will be increased, then strain of that body may be expressed like this: change in length divided by original length. When the deforming force ma pisala ka the body dugi magi length to increase our targadi the strain se kamai puto ko de haidi change in length ma length ta kyam yam na change la ke ko increase tar puduga han le ba length original length duga ani dugi ratio du ne ba koina strain haise aduna depending upon the nature of the change in dimension, strain may be divided into three types. Ahom tona khaidokpa yagani amuko haidi length increase organa akoina aduda leriba strain duna kari taweda linear strain or longitudinal strain hairani aduga volume da increase organa koi volumetric strain kaida lakani adu magi shape da change lagana size na taba shape da change lagana akoina shear strain kaida hai ko adu yana na sigi strain se hana define tawse amuko. So strain may be defined like this: the ratio of change in dimension to the original dimension of the body is called strain. Strain, that is change in dimension divided by original length. And strain se siga manner ne buko. Aduga strain has no unit. Strain unit loiroi maram di change in length divided by original change in dimension divided by original dimension have name. Haidi when the length already change in length divided by original length laktoiba. Volume dogana change in volume divided by original volume. That is ratio of two similar physical quantity neba. Aduna similar quantity ani ki ratio di unit lairoi aduna strain ki unit lairoi. That is strain should be a unitless physical quantity. Next apna types of strain amula asu. Now apna sida dimension harise. Change in dimension, original dimension haise. Sidala iba dimension je karino hai tari sigi dimension je. Dimension harise kari ke mane hai tari it may be length oiba yai, it may be volume oiba yai, or it may be magi shape oiba yai ko. Aduna length da change torpa yai, volume da change torpa yai, aduga magi shape da change torpa yai. Adu sida koina dimension harise. So strain may be divided into three types. Strains apna hom tona thukai yai khaidokpa yai. Number 1 the linear strain, and number 2 the volume strain or volumetric strain, aduga number 3 the shear strain ko. And number 1 is apna linear strain. Apna longitudinal strain high. Or linear strain high tardi sagi is my defined over yai. It is defined as the ratio of change in length, that is delta n, to the original length, that is L of the body. Body dugi kasai length kyam change lake habudo aduda, that is delta L represents change in length. Aduga sidala L sina hana leramba original length of the body duni ani dugi ratio nokoina linear strain korone buko. Ana koina deforming force apply torkanda body dugi magi length the asang the change lagadi magi linear strain se smaina pirane ba change in length divided by original length. Aduga karigumba koina piriba deforming force tuna body dugi volume the change lab. Volume the change lab tardi change in volume divided by original volume dokoina volume or volumetric, that are cubical high, cubical strength high, or akoina simply volume strain have yare. And it is defined as the ratio of change in volume delta V to the original volume capital V of the body. That is volume strain equal to delta V, change in volume divided by original volume capital V is finally new. And next we have to define the third type of strain, that is shear strain. And shear strain na kitang luba mangani. And see the figure je hana yengsi. Sidala is say akoina cubical body mlorabo. Say A B C D E F G. I say cubical body must find out A B C D E F G A square. This represents cubical body. Cubical body must find the lower ko. And say cubical body is the lower surface. I the E F G I say fixed way to go. My lower surface E F G I say fixed variable. And we have to apply a tangential deforming force capital F on the upper surface of the cubical body. See capital F say my upper surface A B C D the apply to the upper surface is no call. My upper face upper face mamai to call. Upper surface or upper face the tangential deforming force apply to so that the upper surface is displaced through some distance, that is a ds. A ds haiba magi distance change to whatever. That is upper surface A B C D Z magi position Z change to whatever. Kadai da A ds B ds C ds ta ko. Sigi surface se A ds B ds Sigi A ds D ds C ds ko. Aduga sina B ds ko. Yeah, sama ne. But A ds D ds C ds B ds or A ds B ds C ds B ds. Select ko. A ds D ds C ds B ds or A ds B ds C ds D ds change to whatever. Aditadi sigi figure is the reason. Hana leramba cubical body je kai the change to give maze parallel pipe hai kono ko parallelogram gi mo the change to whatever. Sidila riba hana leramba body je smile magi cube box mo the leramba ni aduna kono force apply to kan maze smile change to whatever magi shape se sida change to whatever kono force it hazala kan aduna sigi shape se cubical shape leramba je parallelogram की shape change to gre adu tadi akoina pisaliba tangential deforming force na masagi body ji shape se size na ta shape se change to reba adu tadi sigi body is the riba strain se akoina shear strain ka bone ba shape ta change lak tar ga size na ta ba adu na akoina shear strain je kamaina akoina mu define to bu ya ga de bu in terms of angle la define to bu ya sidara riba angle theta je sigi theta je karino har ga di measure angle AF ds neba measure angle AF ds adu tadi sigi angle se karino hai tadi sigi AF se karino sidala iba AF sina perpendicular distance between upper surface and lower fixed surface neba AF se karineba this AF represents perpendicular distance between upper face, that is A, B, C, D and E, F, G is level. Now, sigi perpendicular distance A F sina tangential force capital F apply to matung da mass turn to whatever. That is my position je A ds F the science liable. Sigi position je A ds F the science la kareba. Aduna mana science la matam da mana turn to riba angle, that is theta je akoina shear strain course ya ba sigi shear strain je akoina denoted by theta na represent to ya ba or the shear strain je akoina in terms of angle theta da define to su yai or the magi definition je akoina smaina pc ko. So shear strain may be defined like this: when the tangential deforming force changes the shape of the body without changing the volume of the body, then strain so produced by the body is called shear strain. Or it may be defined like this: in terms of angle it may also be defined as an angle through which the perpendicular line between the upper face or surface and lower fixed face of a cubical body gets turned under the application of tangential deforming force. Adong asai sigi figure is the khagi buduni ko like lower fixed surface later adu upper fixed surface akoina tangential deforming force per kanda sigi upper surface ka lower fixed surface ka ani gi makleba perpendicular line a epsina turn to giba angle to, that is theta adune ba akoina shear strain harise adu sigi theta je akoina in terms of lateral displacement aduga magi A F tas minus express to here is because sigi figures the gapin kamai laki mu yeng se boko aduna sigi figures the ko akoina shear strain theta je akoina approximately 10 theta lo sia maram di sidalari by angle id sigi perpendicular line between upper and fixed surface A F na form to riba mana turn to the leba angle je it should be very small yam the pick angle oiganeba aduna sigi angle jam pick targadi 10 theta je approximately theta ka mane lo yai aduna with the help of this figure then we can find out mathematical formula of shear strain adu si yeng se ba sidege koina right triangle or say FA dash. From this right triangle, tan theta lower seva. Or the tan theta low tardi, she did a side say. When a trigonometry function that tan theta ID perpendicular by base never. Perpendicular ID A dash. She did a capital A dash perpendicular ni. Siki triangle right triangle ziki aduga base na AF never. Aduna A dash divided by AF. Perpendicular divided by base. Our consider A dash when the lateral displacement of the body, that is sideways displacement. Nakanda circuit high the ko. A dash when lateral displacement of the body high. Adu AF na sagi perpendicular distance between upper surface and lower fixed surface of the body to them. Aduna physical CR strain theta z, which is approximately equal to tan theta z, lateral displacement of the body divided by perpendicular distance and as minus PVI under the application of tangential deforming force. So these are the three types of strain produced by the body under the application of deforming force.